Welcome to the future of legal assistance. Introducing the Lawyer Assistant Platform, a cutting-edge solution powered by Python, large language models, and a user-friendly Flask front-end. Your intelligent, personalized legal companion. Designed specifically for law professionals, this tool transforms how legal experts manage and interact with case files, whether criminal or civil, admin and assistant management. At the heart of this platform is the lawyer, acting as the admin. The admin can seamlessly create and manage assistant accounts, assigning secure passwords for controlled access. Each assistant has the ability to update their password anytime, ensuring both flexibility and top-tier security. No more manual paperwork or scattered files. This system brings organization and control into the legal workflow. AI-powered legal companion. But what truly sets this apart is its integration with large language models. This isn't just a digital filing system, it's a personalized legal assistant. Once a case file is uploaded, whether it's a criminal matter, a civil dispute, or anything in between, the LLM springs into action. You can ask any question related to the case, from legal precedents, summaries, to possible legal strategies. The AI understands the context of the uploaded document and gives meaningful, case-specific insights instantly, personalized and fine-tuned for you. This application is not generic. It's fine-tuned to the unique workflows and needs of the legal domain. Developed with real-time client collaboration, it's optimized for practical use, with precise outputs and intelligent interpretations. From complex legal terminologies to structured case arguments, the assistant adapts to your legal language. Built with powerful technologies. Under the hood, this powerful tool is built using robust technologies. Python for backend logic and processing, LLM for smart, AI-driven insights, Flask for a clean, responsive web interface. Together, they create a seamless legal assistant that works 24/7, enhancing productivity and ensuring no detail goes unnoticed. A final call to action. Already tested and fully functional, this platform is live and client approved. If you're a legal practitioner aiming to boost your efficiency, reduce manual effort, and stay ahead with AI-driven support, this is the tool for you. For demos, customization, or to bring the solution to your law firm, contact LPoint at +90 1789 2581 597. LPoint, bridging law and technology with AI. Your legal practice just smarter.